The 11th of November is St. Martin's Day, where the Portuguese gather around bonfires and fireplaces to drink, talk, laugh, eat chestnuts, and celebrate the bountiful harvest and coming winter rest. Prepare an orange twist garnish. Chill an old-fashioned glass and put to one side. Collect a mixing glass and fill with cubed ice. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters that will impart complexity and depth. Roasted chestnuts are one of Portugal's favourite treats and pair beautifully with the rich berry and plum flavour of ruby port. Vecchia Romagna is an Italian brandy which has an unmistakable flavour that is aromatic, complex and warming. Stir for 15 to 20 seconds. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the old-fashioned glass. Pour. Layer a bar spoon of peated whiskey around the top of the drink. Express the orange zest over the cocktail and carefully position on top. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.